If you are looking to chop the waste and underbrush out of your personal budget so you can begin 2021 full steam ahead, then there are ways to get the job done for you. In the end, the extra cash in your savings account will not only give you a cushion right now for any unexpected expenses, but it will also set you up for a future nest egg to enjoy once you are ready to retire from your daily 9 to 5. I'll provide you with 8 money hacks that you can go ahead in this year. First, redo your monthly budget. You can do plenty of things to improve your budget, and it's not all about pain and suffering as many would have you believe. Everyone has a few things they overspend on. The challenge lies in identifying those particular items and weeding them out. A good place to begin is with restaurant spending, grocery bills, and impulse buying. A wise general philosophy is to assign a destination for every dollar that you earn and place that category on your budget. Try cutting restaurant expenditures into half, reducing impulse buys at convenience stores, and shopping for groceries just one each week to regulate what goes toward food items. Second, refinance your education debt. If you have any education debt still hanging around after all these years, refinancing student loans through a private lender is a way to lessen your monthly expenses. Not only can you get a longer repayment period, but have the chance to snag a favorable interest rate as well. But the clincher for money saving enthusiasts is that your monthly payments can instantly go way down. That means extra cash for whatever you want. Use the excess to fatten savings or IRA accounts or pay off your high interest credit card debt first. Third, use a clever tool for bargain lovers. Everyone loves to bargain, but sometimes this causes us to panic buy so that we don't miss out on a good deal. But there's a clever trick when it comes to finding out when discounts are about to be end. Simply find a secret code on the price label by looking for a 6-digit code on the bottom of a discount price label. There you will find the date in reverse. Retailers such as Tesco and Waitrose have the date written backwards. Once you know what you are looking for, it's pretty easy to spot how long you have got to stock up on cut price items before they go up in the price. Fourth, stop paying interest. One of the best things that you can do if you want to reach your financial goals in 2021 is to stop wasting money on the interest. If you have credit card debt, come up with a debt payoff plan. Then try to reduce the amount that you pay in the interest. Call the credit card company to see if they can offer you a lower interest rate. You can also transfer the balances to an interest-free credit card to help you save while you are paying off your debt. Your statement will show you how much of your monthly payment is going to interest each month. If you only pay the minimum balance, most of your payment each month will go towards interest. Fifth, use public transportation as often as possible. If you live on or near a bus or light rail route, do the logistical planning necessary to travel to work at least a few times each week by public transport instead by your car. Unless you reside in a small town, chances are you have access to buses and trains for commuting purposes. Once you get into a habit of using the public transit system, consider buying a 1-month or an annual pass, which can represent a major discount on one-time fare prices. Public transportation can take a bit longer to get you to your destination, but it's easy enough to make use of that time by reading, catching up on work, or just relaxing. Sixth, have someone shop for you. If you struggle with sticking to a list or have the issue of impulse purchases, then you really may be able to save by having someone else to do the shopping for you. This is most effective for your grocery shopping. There are several stores that will shop for you for free or for a small fee, and all you have to do is pick up the groceries. There are also services that will deliver the groceries to your home, which makes it even easier. Seventh, do repairs and maintenance by yourself. Another way to save money is to take care of car or home maintenance and repairs by yourself. The internet makes it easy to find videos that will take you through the process of changing your oil or repairing your dryer. And you can save a ton of money by ordering the part and doing it all by yourself. If it intimidates you, then ask someone who knows how to do it or can walk you through for the first time. You may be surprised at how easy it is, and the savings can add up very quickly. For example, you can save hundreds of dollars per year just by doing your oil changes yourself. 8. Use the 30-day rule. When you are considering making a large purchase, use the 30-day rule. If you still want it just as much after 30 days, considering making that purchase. Often you will find that you no longer care about whatever it is that you wanted. This eliminates spontaneous purchases made out of excitement or emotion. The best time to take action was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Rather than letting your financial goals slip from your hands, consider using these money hacks mentioned in this video to help you take control of your financial picture and work towards conquering your finances in this year 2021. Also, if you found this video informative, then make sure to press that like button and subscribe to our channel so that you can receive notifications for our upcoming videos on money saving and investing. Thank you very much for listening.